Welcome back to Diecast Speedway, the channel where we bring scale collectibles to life. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the sleekest rides from Jada Toys' Fast and Furious lineup, the Porsche 911 GT3 997. This 1/24 scale diecast doesn't just look fast, it looks downright furious in this eye-popping lime green. Let's put it on the turntable and see what makes this car stand out. From the side, the GT3 looks aggressive and aerodynamic. You can't miss that black GT3 stripe running along the bottom of the door, a subtle but classic Porsche touch. The gold multi-spoke wheels pop perfectly against the green body, giving this car a track-ready stance. The lines flow smoothly from the nose to that big rear spoiler, making this Porsche unmistakable, even at a glance. Now look at that front view. The detailing here is clean. The headlights are crystal clear with molded housing behind them. That front bumper is aggressive with wide mesh-style grills, a lower splitter, and even small vents that give it that performance edge. And right at the center of the hood, the Porsche crest. It's small but sharp, and it gives this diecast that official look you want in a licensed model. Opening the doors, we can check out the interior. Jada kept it simple but detailed. You've got bucket seats with molded belts, a deep dashboard with accurate gauge clusters, and a sport steering wheel that looks just right for a Porsche GT3. Even the center console and shifter are molded in, which adds that extra bit of realism when you peek inside. At the back, this is where Porsche magic happens. The rear-mounted engine. Jada gave us chrome detailing on the block and some black accents around it. And down low, you'll see the dual exhaust system, polished silver tips that look aggressive and clean. That big GT3 wing also completes the look, making the rear of this diecast just as exciting as the front. And don't forget, since the engine's in the rear, the front houses the trunk. Pop open the hood and you'll see a smooth, molded trunk space, true to Porsche form. It's little touches like this that make Jada's 1/24 scale models fun to explore. So that's the Jada's Porsche 911 GT3 9997 from Fast and Furious. From the sleek lime green paint to the gold wheels, from the detailed interior to that rear engine setup, this diecast is a real head-turner. Let us know what you think. Is this a must-have for your collection? Drop a comment and let me know. And stay tuned for next time we'll be showing this 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air from Jada's Big Time Muscle. This little classic is packed with so many details, you won't want to miss it. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, I invite you to check out our other cool rides right here on Diecast Speedway. So until next time, keep diecasting and God bless.